Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma MG2556S. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy and scan. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer with a USB cable. I'm going to show you the easy way. If you want the full setup, also check my video how to set this up. But in this video, we're going to cover the easy way to connect this printer. We're going to print out a test page and also show you how to scan documents. We're going to use Windows. So take the USB cable, this part of the cable, go to the back of the printer and connect the cable to the USB port. Then take this end of the cable, connect it to computer. And you will hear a tune to show you there is a connection. The next thing to do is you need to go to your Windows Start, then go to the settings, laptop settings, go to printers and scanners, then add a device. Add a device, then you need to wait. And the printer is found. You need to wait for the refresh to be complete, but the printer is available, Canon MG2500 series. This is the printer. Select on it, printer start to idle. So we're going to print a test page. Select print test page. Windows printer test page. You have correctly installed Canon MG2500 series printer on laptop. We'll show you the time and date. Color support, yes. Port name, USB. Data format, RAW. Windows, x64. So this is how to connect the printer and print out a test page. If you want to scan document, select scanner settings. Then select scanner properties. If you select scanner properties, make sure you can see Canon from the list or you refresh it. After you refresh it, just check that you can see Canon MG2500 series on the list and it's available. So we're going to close this. Then select Open Scanner. Then go on the left side, scroll down and select Canon MG2600 series. Then put the document you want to scan. You're going to scan this document, for example. Open the glass scanner. Put the document you want to scan face down. And also make sure the document starts from the top left. You will see arrow on the left side of the printer. Close the cover. This is A4 paper. Then select File Type. Scroll down to select PDF. Show More. Color. We want to scan this document in color. Resolution 300 dpi. We want to save this document in document file. You can preview it or select scan. So I want us to select scan. Preview is it will fetch the document for you to see it. And if you are happy with it, then you select scan. The most important thing is once you put the document on the glass scanner properly, then go ahead and select scan. So this document is scanned. To see the document, then select View. This is the document. To print it out, select Print icon on top or select Ctrl P on your laptop keyboard. Go on the left side and make sure you can see that the printer is ready. Canon MG2500 series ready. Then you select number of copies. Use up or down to select number of copies. Layout, portrait, pages. We want to print one page. And also color. We want to print it in color. Print on both sides. We want to print it on one side because the document is one page document. Select more. Then you scroll down to select the paper. A4 fit to printable area. 1 page per sheet, then you select print. This is the document. We scanned and printed it out. Another method to scan documents I want to show you. Close this Windows scanner. Once you select scanner settings, then select more devices and printer settings. Select on it. It will show you the image of the printer. Look from the list and select Canon MG2556S series. Select on it. I'm using a mouse, so right click the mouse. It will show you set as default printer, printing preference, printer properties, scan. So select scan. Select OK. It will bring out scan dialog. This is another method. So profile, select documents, source, flatbed, color format, want to scan this in color, file type, scroll down to select PNG, resolution 300 dpi, then you select scan. So this is another method to scan document with this printer. Then you select more option. You save the document, browse where you want to save the document. You want to save it in the document file and folder name. We save it, date taken. Then you select OK. Then select import. And you will hear a tune to show you that this document is imported to the PC. I'm going to close this. If you want to see this document, then you need to go to File Explorer, go to Documents, then type the date the document was scanned. So we're going to type today's date, for example. It will show you the date. Just check the time. This is the document we scanned. Double click it to open. This is it. So you can print it out. You can also share this document to somebody. So this is how to connect this printer with the computer using a USB cable. This is the easy method. Thank you very much indeed.